Hello family and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be feeding a 10-month-old baby. As you can see, before I even start putting the food in his mouth, he started licking his mouth already. So we're going to be feeding him today. So this soup, there's not much pepper in the soup because of my kids. So I didn't put too much pepper in the soup. So don't be scared. So let's go with the feeding of the baby. So look at the way he's doing his face. So normally if I'm eating African food, I do put in his mouth. But not much. But today I decided to feed him really well in the front of the camera. So let's see how much he's going to eat. Don't be scared, as I said. The pepper in the soup is not much. So let's just see how much this baby is going to eat. He's just 10 months old and he's still breastfeeding as well. The baby is breastfeeding as well. So I'm going to put some water in the cups just in case you need water, then I'll just give it to him immediately. So let's just go with the feeding. Today is baby's mukbang. Baby's mukbang, yes. 10 months old mukbang. Yeah.
Cause you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? Just so much left to say. Wanna get to know you in every kind of way, but you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? I'm just trying to break through, but you make it hard when you act how you do. Cause you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? There's just so much left to say. Wanna get to know you in every kind of way. But you're speaking in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration?
So this baby has fed enough today. So I think I'm going to end this vlog here so that it will not go and overfeed, because it still wants more. So I will just end this vlog here. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and give it a thumbs up and share my video, okay? And press that notification bell so anytime I drop a video, you'll be the first to know. So see you guys on my next vlog. Bye bye.